guys! Welcome back again. Ito po yung pinakabagong segment ng Perla Insurance TikTok ang about sa mga frequently asked questions about vehicle insurance. Para sa fact number 1, bakit need ba natin ng vehicle insurance? Una, it's legal po to drive without vehicle insurance. Required po tayo na kumuha ng CTPL or Compulsory Third Party Liability Insurance. Pangalawa, aside from the legal requirements, need nyo po kumuha ng vehicle insurance to have peace of mind. Number 3, aside din sa CTPL, required kayo na kumuha ng comprehensive vehicle insurance lalo na pag naka-mortgage or naka-finance ang inyong sasakyan. Need po or requirement po ito ng mga banks o financing companies. Pang-apat, it's very costly po if wala kang comprehensive vehicle insurance. Question, prepared ka ba sa mga repair expenses in case ma-aksidente kayo gamit ang inyong sasakyan? At pang-lima, to avoid any legal charges in case ma-aksidente kayo gamit ang inyong sasakyan. So dapat i-secure nyo both CTPL and comprehensive vehicle insurance. So stay tuned for more frequently asked questions. Ingat po kayo! Ano po bang ibig sabihin ng deductible sa vehicle insurance? Hello everyone! Welcome back once again, and it's time na naman para sa mga frequently asked questions about vehicle insurance. So ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng deductible or participation fee? Ang deductible po ay ang mga out-of-pocket payments, contribution, or share ng isang assured every time mag-file siya ng claim. Kadalasan itong makikita sa harapan ng isang policy. So for example, nagasgasan po yung kotse mo. Tapos ang estimated na repair sa shop is around 10,000 pesos. And per policy mo, may around 2,000 pesos ka na deductible. Meaning, babayaran po ng insurance company ang 8,000 pesos and 2,000 pesos naman ang share mo. So bakit kaya may deductible? Unang-una, yung driver ng sasakyan ay liable sa kahit anumang damage na mangyari sa sasakyan. Pangalawa, para ma-discourage yung mga tao or car owners from committing fraud o pangluloko sa car insurance provider nila. Pangatlo, para pigilan ang mga car owners na abusuhin ang mga benefits ng car insurance nila sa pamamagitan ng pag-claim ng mga maliliit na damage. At pang-apat, as vehicle owners, we have the responsibility to take good care of the vehicle like a diligence of a good father. So ito po yung mga standard deductible fee or rate as prescribed by the Insurance Commission. Para sa mga private vehicles, 0.5% of the sum insured or a minimum of 2,000 pesos. Para sa mga commercial vehicles, 1% of the sum insured or a minimum of 3,000 pesos. Para sa mga motorcycles, 1% of the sum insured or a minimum of 500 pesos. At para naman sa mga LTO vehicles, 1.25% of the sum insured or a minimum of 4,000 pesos. So ayun, I hope may natutunan kayo today. Please like and follow us for more frequently asked questions about vehicle insurance. Ingat po!
All is well.